76% of organizations experienced downtime due to data loss in 2022. For small businesses, that can mean losing hundreds of dollars every minute, not to mention the trust of your customers. If your IT setup feels like a constant fire drill, you're not alone. As John Garner, CEO of iMedia Technology, puts it, managed IT services empower businesses to revolutionize their IT infrastructure and secure a competitive edge. Let's be honest, hiring a full in-house IT team isn't cheap. And even then, you're juggling limited expertise, vacation gaps, and burnout. Managed IT services flip the script by giving you 24/7 access to a team of specialists at a flat monthly rate. You get cybersecurity experts, cloud architects, compliance pros, all in one. It's not just about fixing issues faster. It's about preventing them. From automated backups and disaster recovery to proactive network monitoring and help desk support, you get peace of mind and less downtime. And when it's time to grow, whether you're adding staff, launching a new office, or upgrading systems, your MSP scales with you. No delays, no tech headaches. You also get a virtual CIO guiding your IT roadmap, aligning your infrastructure with your business goals, and helping you plan for what's next. Want to stop firefighting and start scaling? Read the full article now on our website. And if this helped you rethink your IT strategy, don't forget to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist.